Kisses. Bye guys. Today is April 4, 2025 and it's Friday and naga-practice mi sa moving up na mo and kanagamay na lang to spend time together and I'm so excited to get dressed. Hello na pa. This is my classmates. Nangatulog sila guys. Dili na mo na classmate guys. Ampun. Ay!
Sobrang tayo pasara.